Auto Pro is pleased to announce a new tool and technique to the dent removal industry. The constant tension tool creates constant even force directly outward. Just simply glue your tab to the deepest center position of the dent. Attach the device's safety chain to a second tab placed in close proximity, and you're all set to start your pull. Here, Charles is utilizing the Auto lightweight floor puller along with the use of a ratchet strap. The constant tension pull tool has a patented compression spring design encased in a durable aluminum powder coated housing. As pressure is applied, the two-stage internal spring design creates constant even pressure with a throw of up to 9 inches. Once set to desired pressure, the technician can strike the surrounding secondary browsing kinks, relieving displaced metal in a single user controlled stop and start manner, giving the technician full unobstructed control over dictating the metal movement. Speed up your repair time, be more precise. Constant tension gives you that ability.